the best thing that I can do is to give you these exercises, or I'll give you other alternatives. But if you're really struggling, if you really need to, let's say, get a score of this, then of course the last resort for us would be to I'll ask you to enroll in the grammar course first if you really need to. But if not, if you think you can improve on your own first, for now we're going to see. Okay? Unless you really need it, I'll advise you to go for your grammar. Okay. So, but anyway, this is the end of our discussion for task criteria. So, any questions?
So, have some errors in the essay or lecture, for example, is spelling mistakes and he is 5.5.
It would depend actually, as long as it's not being that repetitive. So my suggestion, in order for you to get a good range of how to really assess the criteria, is you would find the public band score for IELTS writing. You can search it up if you have an internet on your phone. Yeah, you saw it, you've seen it. I'm sure before you join us, you've seen it as well. I think I have one here. I'll show it to you. I have a lot of files. I need to clean. I need to clean my desk. But the public band version, the one I taught you, was actually the advanced one. But let me look some. Let me search it up. I'm sure. Band version. I think they borrowed it. If I can't find it, then I'll. Yeah, we need to search it up if you know. I can't find it. Somewhere here. Yeah, you can just Google it. You can just Google public band version, essay task criteria. And then you would see it there. How they're going to give you 7 when it comes to task achievement. Similar in speaking. So I'll print it for all of you. Hold on, let me check the other room. I think it's there. We borrowed it, I'm sure. Hold on. You can Google it if you want. Right. This is the point. Okay, so anyway, do you have any questions? Okay. So if you don't have any questions, then I'll be printing an activity for you. I'll give you a choice. Vocabulary, yeah. I'll just give you vocabulary activity for today.
Solution type of thing. And we have to write in a discussion with our.
Good.
So in problems, we have to mention at least how many problems.
Minimum would be around 3. Yes,
And
minimum.
solution
So at least you would reach the word count. Solutions, still 3. Yeah. It doesn't have to be that connected, you know. You can just list down some of the problems, then you can list down some of the solutions. Any more questions? This is a perfect chance for you to ask any questions. But not just not personal, please. All right, no questions? No. No questions. Okay, so this time I'll be printing an activity for all of you. Okay, so as for all of you, you're in the group, right? Okay,